something happened at Granny's. They got a bunch of fire trucks all going to Granny's, and not sure what's going on here. I don't know what's going on. Like Granny's. It's obviously in Granny's, I'm guessing, because there's all kinds of trucks that have gone in there that are fire trucks. So because there was that accident today, there's nobody working at the facility. This facility's been shut down, and there's trailers that have been just sitting here of birds. They're just sitting there. There's nobody there to process them. So this is the cage that they sit in for 48 hours, 24 hours, who knows. So here we are, we're documenting that today there was a fire at Granny's Poultry in Blumenort, Manitoba. And the whole plant's been shut down, and they have that barn filled with birds, and there's nobody tending to these birds. Nobody is doing anything for these birds. It's really appalling that they can get away with this kind of treatment for the animals. These birds have been in here since 3 o'clock this afternoon. Not one trailer has moved. I've documented it on other video footage. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take some footage here and show that these birds have not moved, and we'll see tomorrow morning if they're all still sitting here in the same positions, because all the workers have left. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna go take one more photo a little closer.